we'll guide you through how to create slow motion in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and go to the Edit page. Import your video clip into the media pool by dragging it from your File Explorer. Then drag the clip onto the timeline. Once your clip is in the timeline, right-click on it and select Retime Controls. This will display a speed bar above your clip. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the percentage number on the speed bar and choose Change Speed. To create a slow motion effect, you need to reduce the speed. For example, if your original clip is at 100%, you can set it to 50% to slow it down by half. You can also type in a specific speed percentage if you want precise control. Once you've set the speed, you can smooth out the motion by applying optical flow. To do this, right-click on the clip again and select Retime Process, then choose Optical Flow. This will use advanced frame interpolation to make the slow motion smoother. If you want even more control, you can use the Retime Curve by clicking on the Retime Curve button in the timeline toolbar. This allows you to adjust the speed dynamically across the clip by adding keyframes. Simply click on the curve, add keyframes, and drag them up or down to change the speed at different points. Remember to always check your playback to ensure everything looks smooth and as intended. You can do this by pressing the spacebar to play the clip in the timeline. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.